Hi and welcome to another product demo from fobfix.com. Today we're going to be adding an additional key to this 20 template Freelander 2. It uses these like in-dash lozenge type fobs which are quite prone to breaking. This has only got one key programmed to it. This one. Now for the purpose of this demo I'll just show you. The OBD port is on a little metal plate down here in the driver's footwell. Now, only for this demo, it's quite difficult to get the LED and beeps from the programming unit and show you the key slot where we're doing the work in the same shot. So we've just put a little extension lead just up to here to the programmer. If you're in the comfort of your own workshop or on your own drive, then that shouldn't be an issue. So this works on 2006 to 2012 standard in-dash lozenge type fobs. It doesn't do the hands-free ones, which are 2012 onwards. So that's a different type of programmer. We've currently got this one key programmed to this vehicle, and if you look down in the slot where we pop it in the dash, push this key in, it locks in place, the steering lock clicks off, and that would start the vehicle. Just push it to eject it again. Now we're going to be adding this new aftermarket spare, which currently doesn't do anything. If we try and insert that in the dash, it spits it straight back out because it's not recognised. Now that actually will happen while we're programming, so we'll keep an eye on that one. What we'll do first is we'll just check the number of keys. So on the programmer, all the switches down, pop in your working key. And when I say working, if you're in a position where it doesn't work the remotes, that's fine. The batteries break a lot in these and the remote doesn't work. But as long as it gets locked in place in the key reader and lets you start the vehicle, that's classed as a valid key. If you don't have any valid keys for your vehicle, that's a whole different matter. This programmer won't support that type of situation, and it's a body control module out and new keys. So that's an in-depth auto locksmith job. But for adding spare keys, that's fair enough. So what we'll do is lock the original in place, plug the programmer in, get the usual startup tones. We just get one green beep to say that there's only that one key programmed. Right, there we go. I'll just unplug the programmer gently from the cable, get it ready, and what we'll do is we'll put switch 4 up. That's into add key mode. Again, we'll just eject this the main working key, and I'll explain the programming sequence. We plug it in, we pop in the main master key, and what we're led by is the LED on this will flash a few times, and it'll flash blue, and you'll get a beep. Now it'll either flash once, twice, or 3 times. Now once means insert the key, twice means eject the key, and 3 times means insert the original working key to finish the programming sequence. We start off with the main working key, and it goes through 4 programming sequences, so you can add up to 4 working keys. For any that you don't need to add, you can just wait those out. We're just adding an extra one in, so we get the first one and the second one. We wait the extra sessions out, but you can add up to 4 at once. What will happen is when you're adding the new keys in, they won't be accepted by the card slot reader immediately. So when you get the blue flash and it says insert the key, keep pushing it in and out until the steering lock comes off and it accepts the key. That can take up to 10 seconds, so just be aware of that one. So right, we'll do that now. If you follow this sequence, you can add, like I say, up to 3 additional keys. So working key in, connect the unit. One blue beep says we're in add key mode, and we just wait. So what we get is 1, 2 means eject. So we eject the main first working key. 1 means insert, so we insert the main working key again. 2 means eject, so take the first working key out, put it to one side, and get your spare keys ready. 1 means insert, and if we watch it, it spits out, try again. That time it's locked in. Keep trying until it locks in. 2 means eject. So we can take that one out now. We'll just leave that to one side, and it'll go through. So 1 means insert. That would be the third key we want to program, if we were programming a third. 2 means eject that third added key. Insert the fourth, if we were adding a fourth one. Plenty of keys for that vehicle if we were. Two beeps means eject the fourth and final key. And now we should get 1, 2, 3, and that just means insert the original working key again. And now we count 2 green beeps to say we've got 2 keys programmed. And that's it. We can eject the original worker, that's fine. Take our newly programmed key, just check that it locks and unlocks. Which it does. And if we pop that in the slot now, it's accepted. Steering lock comes off and we can start the vehicle. Oh. And there we go. Hope that helps. See you in the next one.